move. What a move. Oof. Like it. Let's go. Let's go. YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Kyle Chartbully, back with another video. You guys just saw me catching a few pips on gold right there. I did have multiple entries, which allowed me to catch it quicker. But sometimes you just gotta take advantage of what the market gives you. So if I know the market's gonna go up, I'm gonna just take it for what it's worth and make them pay, you know. But real quick, I just want to go over the trade setup because it's not good enough for me just to show you me catching the pips and you guys sitting on the sidelines. I want to go over why I caught this move, and even when I lose some trades, I want to go over with you and explain what my thought process was and what I was doing. So in the pre-market analysis, which I do every night, if you guys want to, they're only 5 to 7 minutes. I don't make them too long and drawn out and boring, just to give you guys an idea of what I'm looking at going into the market the next day. So when you wake up and your eyes are all crusty and your lips are chapped, you're not scrambling looking around at the market, buy sell. You got a bias in mind, and you're just looking for the market to do what you want it to do. So if you see here, we had a nice drop in gold, nice retracement. I told everybody in the analysis on the pre-market that I wasn't ready to call sales yet because I wanted to see price get like around here. So if I go to the H1, you can see structure was broken right here, right off that retracement, but I wasn't ready to call sales unless we broke this level right here. So that was kind of like my point. Like if it breaks here, then you know we can target price down here, but it didn't do that, and I'm gonna show you why. So even though it was a nice retracement and a lot of people got faked out and were probably in sales all down here, I had the fib set out. So I was still technically in the bullish bias because I wasn't ready to call sales yet. So let's go over here. So you can see that big drop on the M15 from the previous day and then today. A lot of people probably got caught in this move right here. Got caught in these wicks, especially down here. But we had our ranges set, right? And this is what I tell you guys about the range. You want to hit your buy zone area or your low risk buy zone area. If it comes to the range low, you might want to wait until it comes back up to the buy zone because it could just, you know, tailor off in there and just bleed out. But we got wicks right here. We got a whole bunch of hits right here and a nice shift up. I caught this retracement right here. And honestly, I could have got down here, but I wasn't at the computer. But when I saw this, you know, I got in right here. Stop loss was actually pretty tight because I went on the M1. So let me go here. And if you go back in my previous video on catching risk to reward, you'll see me doing this on the M1 anyways. So let me go here. If I can find it. Here we go. So look here. So everywhere you see structure is on all time frames, right? Right here, boom. Higher high. That's not what I was trying to do. So higher high right here. Higher high right here, right? And it's a simple pattern, right? It's just taking the stairs. And every time price dips down below, you're banking that it holds structure and it does not get below this, right? So even though I caught the retracement on the M15, my stop loss would have been, if you're just taking this on the M15, right, it has to go below the low. This is a safe stop loss. This would be the safest. Sorry guys. This would be the safest right here. So regardless, you're looking at almost 50 pips. That's 55, 70 pips. I mean, you can aim from here, but I mean, you're gonna have to hold this for a long time. The best bet is to aim for like maybe right here, which is like 70 pips. I got 100, but 75 is good. I just did multiple entries to get what I needed. But if you go on to M1, right, check this out. The same move. God. Go over here. I hate looking for. Here we go. All right, so the same move, right? Here's the big shift up. Here's the retracement. I got in right here. Low goes right here, 25 pips, right? I might have did 37 to be safe, but 25 pips, right? And you got all of that move, the 75, 100. Actually, this might have been the move right here, honestly. So either way, man, you see what I'm saying? Is that you get a tighter stop loss because you can see the market structure on all areas. And the same thing I told you in the risk reward video. You want to wait for structure to get broken on a lower time frame before you get in. So price is doing all of this. I mean, that's cool. We can try to get in right here. I mean, if you are your beast, but you want to wait for confirmation. So it comes up here and holds structure and does not get below this. You know you're good to go. Especially if you have the bias in mind and it's in your low risk buy zone area or your buy zone area. You see how you got to put all of this together? It's simple. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Drop a like on the video. Please subscribe. I do appreciate everybody who subscribed. And if you guys want to, man, talk to me on Telegram, hit me up. I'm pretty much available most of the time. Send me an email. It's a great way to get in contact with me as well. But that's going to be it for this video. Hope you guys take care. Peace.